going to teach second class English, second lesson, the little bird. Yesterday we discussed the first part of this lesson, children. Today I am going to second part and the last part of this lesson. What is yesterday we learned now what is the little bird doing here, having how many friends is there? There are four friends. What are the names of their friends? What are the names of those friends? Anu, Joe, Mahi, and Bill. Four friends are inside the home. Suddenly, what happened? The rain is coming. Then they don't want to. They didn't go to outside to play. Suddenly, one bird come into the house, and Joe said, "We let we keep him inside the box." But who said don't do like that? Anu said, "Don't do like that." Why? Because had been sad. So don't get him into the box. This is the last part of the lesson. The continuation of this lesson is Bill opened the window. Who opened the window? Finally, they decided. The four members are decided what they did to the bird. They did open the window. Who opened the window? Bill opened the window. Why? Because the bird flew outside the house. So they opened the window. The clouds had gone. The rain also go to the sky. Why? Because the clouds had gone. When the clouds are coming, the rain is coming. So clouds had gone. The sky was blue. Sky is looking in which color? Blue color. The sun was shining. The sun was shining. The sun shining means the sun rays are fallen on the earth surface. So the sun was shining. Then rain is stopping. He was happy. He flew and he flew and he flew. The little bird hopped out. The little bird, what did he do the time? The little bird hopped out. He went out the house and he was happy. Who was happy here? The little bird was happy. Why? Because Joe did not keep him into the box. Anu is help to the bird. So he was happy. The bird was happy. Why? Because